As you can see behind me, the tiny house is still a work in progress. It still needs painted. And today I'm gonna be taking a look at this cart that I'm gonna be using to carry all of my paint supplies back and forth from room to room. In this video, I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, but not the way it's supposed to be put together because I want this top shelf to be open. So it does have additional components. I will show you those momentarily, but I left them off because that's how I wanna use this cart and that's how I'm gonna use this cart. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're gonna have all of the pieces to put this together. It doesn't look like it's gonna be too difficult, so I'll tell you how long it takes. You also have the instruction manual. These wheels are really, really nice. They're like, almost like rollerblade wheels, and then 2 of them have locking mechanisms on them. So only 2 lock and then 2 do not lock. You have a bunch of different components. I'm probably going to use this actually because this is going to be my paint cart, and I feel like that's going to be really good for paint or paint accessories. Unfortunately, one of my baskets did come in broken, so I'm gonna have to get a different basket, but the other one's just fine. I am not going to be assembling this top piece because I want the top to be open so that I can like hang things off of the sides. I don't want to be like trapping. I don't want to be able to, I don't know. I'm just not going to put those on. There are other components that you will need to put this together in the drawers if you're putting it together the way that it's designed to be put together, which is with the racks up here. But I, again, do not want the racks up here. I want this to be open. So this is how I put it together. You can put it together however you want, but this is going to be my paint station. Overall, I'm really pleased with how smoothly and nicely it rolls. I'm pleased with the amount of surface area that I have here. I'll be able to keep a actual roller pan as well as a paint can, all of my brushes, everything that I need. And there's even drawers, so I can keep extra brushes or touch-up pens or whatever I need in these little drawers here. I'll be taking out the pieces that I didn't use, but that's okay. This would be fantastic both in a care setting, if you need it for that, or for an art setting, because it looks like this is going to be very easy to clean. You even have a little trash bucket that lives on the side, which is fantastic.